All right, today we're actually got a new baby gate, and we don't have any babies, but we have two babies here. There are dogs. We actually have a baby gate, and it's falling apart. No thanks to this guy right here. He tore some of the stuff up. Today, this one's actually stronger, taller, and we're gonna set it up today and see what you get. So when you get it out of the box, this is pretty much how it comes in, zip tied and everything, including the screw parts. They're right here in the box included. And we're gonna take a look at the old one that we're gonna replace. This is our old one. If you guys can see, tape size is really small. He could jump over. He actually ripped this one over. This one is not even working that well. It's old, outdated. We're gonna replace it today because we don't want him to go to the bathroom. We don't want him to go to the rooms. And this is the actual guy that keeps breaking into that gate. So we're gonna get a little taller and stronger. So let's go ahead and put it together. All right, we fitted the gate. So it comes with extensions. I'm gonna explain to you a little bit more about it. Right now we're fastening these, and the way you do it, see how it doesn't clip yet? You gotta make sure you fasten them up, all right? Push one in, it ties up, it gets a little tighter, and if you guys notice, it's connecting. You do the same thing to the other end until it finally clips in there and it snaps in there, right? But you got to make sure you meet the gap, all right? And right now this guy's trying to figure it out how to get to the other side, but it's a lot larger than the other one. It's a lot stronger and sturdier, and it has the same features, but we're gonna see how tall it looks and how complete it looks once we're done. So let's go ahead and fasten it. All right, to open it up, it's very simple, all right? You see it, I tied it up. They give you zip ties. The zip ties are to actually tie it up so you can screw this in place so it can lock in. It helps you a lot. And but I was doing it by brute force. And to open it up, it's simple. You push it to the right and you have to lift just a little bit up, and that's it. Once you open it up, you can close it up. You don't need to lift it up. It automatically does it. It makes it baby proof. Even if they open this one, they can't open it. You have to lift up a little bit and open it up. So I like that they give you the zip ties. The zip ties are to tie it up here and to keep it strong for now until you adjust these right here, because these adjustable are really good for that. So I did 4 of them, if you guys can see that. We're gonna take a look at the accessories and the extra parts that we have. All right, one great feature about the door, when you lift it up and you close it, it automatically closes. But say you walk in the back and just close it, it automatically closes itself. It spring backs to actually the same setting where it locks in. I like this feature. All right, these are extra parts that were included in there so you could extend it even longer. Now, let me explain to you about this one right here. This is actually a pretty good one. So if you have a stairway that has a curved bars, this is how it goes. It curves, it won't damage any of the stuff. But just to be sure, I will just put extra tape here so it won't mess up any of your curved wood, especially if you have oak wood or any kind of wood that you don't want to be damaged. This is perfect. I like this that they include that. They include a rail system. This is to keep it in place, if you guys notice. And these will go on the bottom of the stainless steel. Now, included, they give you a little wrench, help you out, tighten it up a little bit, fasten the fasteners. But I like that they can include this extra extensions in here that I really didn't need them. I just removed the old one and I placed the new one in its place, which is great because now it keeps the dogs outside. It's always been keeping the dogs outside, but unfortunately it was damaged already. It was falling apart. It was deteriorating, and today we just replaced it. Baby proof, dog proof. I hope you guys enjoy the videos.